I'm gonna do right now, I got everything set up. I'm gonna drop the motor back in. I'm gonna just lift the car up and slide this in there. Hopefully drop the car down far enough to where I could just bolt up the motor and I don't have to reach over and pick anything up. I had to do that last time. It's kind of a pain in the ass, but hopefully I could just drop it down low enough and everything will just line up. Alright, so this is what I'm talking about. You see it's dropping down and the mount is almost in on that side. Just a little bit more to go. But I gotta be careful. I don't want to ruin my intercooler. I think I have room though to freaking get it in without ruining the intercooler. But we'll see. We shall see. Now I just got to put this passenger side mount on. Dropping stuff, bro. Bro, that was a lot easier to install than the first time I put it in. First time I put it in, I had a headache. I scratched up all the engine bay and all that stuff. And then once again, Toyonda, he does a lot of these. He was like, hey, bro, just freaking put the motor on something, slide it in there, and drop the car all the way down. My dumb butt would slide the motor in there and then put the car back down and then pick the motor up in the car. This is way easier. Way, way easier. Now I'm going to go ahead and tighten up some of these bolts and at least these side ones, and then get the car up a bit so I can go under there and work. I don't want the motor falling on me. Well, I'm back for another day of trying to get this car situated. I need to adjust the fuel line. That's a little bit too long. I need to bring it back to the front, but for now that could wait. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put all the motor mounts on, drop the axles in and put it back on the wheels and get that situated and get everything else on the car. Right now we got all the mounts in and the engine is in 100%. I'm dropping the axles right now and put the hubs and everything back on. I did shorten up the fuel line right here. I don't know if y'all can see it. I did not shorten it up, but I pulled it back under the car some so it's not hitting the transmission right there. I gotta go under the car and finish pulling it back into the front. That I did do. Let me get to it and try to get the car back together. Alright, so I gotta clean these with Purple Power, right? And y'all know this little bottle right here be killing your forearm. You be going like this all day. I got a smart little idea for y'all. It wasn't my idea. I stole it from somebody else, but shout out Rabid Machina, man, here on YouTube. One of my friends, I was at his house and you know, I seen something he was doing and I stole the idea from him. I even took his bottle. He had a couple of them. So what he did was he got one of these Roundup bottles and put the Purple Power in it. Now, this is easy as heck to use. Come on, couple pumps. Spray that thing, degreaser in there. You spray that degreaser in there, let it sit, and then wash it out. Yeah, I would have easily been here 5 to 10 minutes just squeezing that bottle, trying to get degreaser all over that. But not no more. Easy with that little Roundup bottle. This right here, go get you one of these from Lowe's, Walmart, wherever. Put your degreaser in it, your Purple Power. For the most part, got what I could installed. Axles are in. All the good stuff is in. The motor is already solid in there. Intercooler is solid. Turbo is solid. I might just cap those heater core lines for now just to get the car going. Brake booster line will get sorted out. Look like it's dark in there, you guys can't see. The brake booster line will get sorted out. I gotta cut it still. Still gotta put these cables on. They're not on all the way. Axles are in there. These are the Toyota drop-in axles. If y'all need drop-in axles for your MR2, you can stop over there and get with him and pick some up. But that's it for right now. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. I probably won't be coming back in front of the camera for a bit. I don't know, man. I just like doing my work and getting it over with. You know, sometimes it takes forever to get something done when I'm sitting in front of the camera trying to show something and show what I'm doing. So I just show you what I'm about to do, then I do it, and I show you the finished product on camera. So, like, share, subscribe, come back, check me out. Also, check out the link below, check out the homies page, K Bros, Garage Built, Toyota 206. Make sure y'all check everybody out, man. Show everybody love.